Is this a real life? Is this just fantasy? Calling a last time, no escape from reality. Open your eyes, look up to the skies and see. I'm just a poor boy. Easy go, little high, little low. Anyway, the wind blows, doesn't really matter to me. Just kill the man, put a gun against his head, pull my trigger, now he's dead.
Mama, I had just begun, but now I'm gonna run it away.
Mama,
You really learn.
I didn't mean to make you cry. If I'm not back again, it's time to
look to California and then take your look back. Too late, my time is gone. Since she was down my spine, but it's aching all the time. Goodbye, everybody.
I've got to go, gotta leave it all behind, face and through.
Mama,
Did you really learn?
I don't wanna die, I said such much, I've been
look to your left now. Right foot forward. This is for you. I see a little silhouette of a man. Scaramouche, leading to the fandango.
Fandango, lighting, very, very frightening me.
Just a poor boy, nobody loves me. He's just a poor boy from a poor family, sparing his life from his own sensitivity. Easy go when you let me go. Please stay right now. We don't let you go. Let me go. We don't let you go. Let me go. We don't let you go. We don't let you go. We don't let you go. Let me go. No, 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 no.
Mamma mia, mamma mia.
He is you as a devil put a star for me, for me, for me.
trying to get the time, break my eyes.
Lalo na kung dadagdagan. Iba lang ito, pinag-iiwan na kami.
Yan na.
Bubukos na yan, bubukos na ng pamilya.
Mabait dyan si Madam, sabi sa'yo.
Ay, lalo na ba siya iyak niya? Di ba dapat happy ka?
Oh my God, Ian!
Ayan.
Oh.
Tinupad niya, napinilang tayo, naging 8,000 ni Ian. Ano masasabi mo?
May DJ pa kami. Yung DJ kasi isang hindi pa yung Yes, yun naman.
Porsyento namin ha, porsyento namin.
Chupero na dyan.
Pero dahil nagbigay ng 8,000, mga kapatid, last word,
Last
line.
Antayin mo!
In 3, 2, 1, sing!
Anywhere the wind blows. Hindi naman porket sila yung nag-request. Hindi na naman sila yung nakarinig. May ibang customer pa. Baka mo sila mag-share din.
Ba't di mo usapin Tagalogdo?
London, buti ka pala sa London.
Yung pangalawang London ha, yun o, yung galing sa ano.
Si Ming.
Si Maika.
Si Maika.
Panahon na yung microwave.
Lumapit ka dali, habang talagang basang-basa pa ang luha mo, effective yan.
Iiyak pa ako na pwede ba tugtog ka sa puta ina? London.
Maika ang pangalan, Maika.
Maika pangalan.
Ay, kapag ilaw. London, alam ko naman.
Paabot natin.
Ang bisa ba?
At parang pera ng London yung ibibigay sa'yo, Ian.
Ano?
Hindi mo
Pounds.
Ay! Ano yan? Ano yan? Ano yan? Bakit ganyan ang tsura?
Umiyak ko.
Bakit? Umiyak ka, ano?
Kasi nasa 8,000 na tayo eh. Bumaba na naman ng 1,000. Tapos sa sex pampay na mistress daw.
Sir, nag-joke. Sir, kamusta kayo, sir? Nag-90s yan.
Uwi na kasi ako sa rin.
Siyempre, parang tawag ka rin nasa Amerika, yung mga taga-dumageting balikbayan from America.
Dumudukot.
Dumudukot.
Ano pangalan ni Madam yung mayaman?
Si Ma'am Sky. Kaya naman ang binigay niya sa atin, Sky is the limit.
Ma'am, nagbigay po si Madam Sky ng 8,000. Magbigay kayo ng 10,000, sasampalin ko si Ma'am Sky sa harap.
Hoy! Nagbigay mo ng 8,000!
Kaya naman nagbigay kayo ng 15,000, papakay ko yung pamilya nila.
Ano?
Wala ka, sir. Sige na, sir. May kita, sir.
Magkano binigay niya?
2,000 nun.
Naku, hindi sila nakapasok sa production number. Isa na lang ang kulang, may production number na
Sayang
sila.
naman.
Nagtitipid daw sila, bumulong na eh. Sabi na nila muna, di namin. Salamat pati dito ha, dahil sa inyo na itong 20 pounds. Salamat, sir.
Umiyak na siya.
Bago na to, bago na.